Do I buy Tesla? Do I buy Apple? Do I buy energy stocks? How do you deal with this chaos? This is not financial nor professional advice. This video is for entertainment only. Hey everybody. Last week we had a major breakout in the NASDAQ, I believe. We went up on Wednesday. Thursday was good, and Friday was just a breakout. And what was really positive is it kept going up even at the close and after the close in the after hours. So we got a runner here. It's probably going to go up to about 4,400 on the S&P 500. If we look at the chart for the last month, we can see there was a steady downtrend, and then it took off on this last Wednesday and went up until Friday, and it just kept going up. And I said the week before that if Apple went over 150 and Tesla went over 750, that would be a major sign that the market was going to keep going up. And Tesla went above 750. I think it ended up in the 760s. And Apple didn't quite make 150. I think it made 148 or 149, somewhere in there. So you got these two giants, and Apple is like a slow-moving oil tanker. It takes a while for it to turn, okay, just because it's so big. You know, it's $3 trillion, you know, whereas Tesla is still nimble in comparison. You know, it's like 700 billion. So it has room to pop. And I think Tesla will be the first $5 trillion company. I call myself a long-term day trader or swing trader or long-term trader on Tesla. Depends on the mood I'm in. I like to buy it. I sold it last time at about 1,100. Okay, so it's 760. So hey, it's a bargain in my eyes. So I'm probably going to buy some more of that. And Apple, I would like to buy it, but I'm not quite convinced as much. The thing about Tesla is it just rips your face off with its earnings. It makes 54% earnings growth over a year. You know, at that rate, in less than 18 months, you're going to double the earnings. So there's nothing of that size that's moving that fast. And one rule you should mark down in your book is unless you think you're going to win the lottery that particular day, I do not recommend shorting Tesla at any moment. It will just rip your face off with these explosions upwards. And I think we have some explosiveness going on, but I think it's going to be tempered eventually. I expect it to go up until it hits about 4,400 on the S&P 500, and then I think we got another leg down. And I will be probably shorting if it hits 4,400 and then comes down like I expect it to. Hey, if it blows through 4,400, I'm probably going to buy TQQQ, which is the triple QQQ. QQQ is the 100 largest companies on the NASDAQ. The TQQQ triples your returns on the QQQ. So you get $3 for every dollar the QQQ goes up. So it's a super bullish thing to do. But I actually take it as time to buy when it blows through a level. You know, I don't like to do the bottom fishing. The bottom fishing, you're more likely to catch a falling knife, has been my experience. You're usually in a position. Now, this is being filmed on a Sunday, and we have to wait for Tuesday because of Memorial Day. But if it continues this blow off, blow up, I mean upwards, if it continues this, I expect to buy more into everything. And I actually will consider TQQQ. It's no time to short. But I think this could be a short-term thing. Simply, we've got too much chaos. We got too much bad news going on. The rate at which houses are selling is slowing down. There's 9% more houses on the housing market in a week lately. Sellers are starting to slash their prices. And you have this wealth effect. Inflation is showing some signs of tempering, of trying to slow down a little bit. But, as long as oil remains as high as it is, it's like 115. I think we could see $150 a barrel oil. So in the next video, I'm going to present you with some energy stocks, mainly oil stocks. One will be a triple levered bullish oil stock. One will be a double levered oil stock. And one will be kind of a traditional standard major international oil company, which you probably can't go wrong on, and which is less risky, of course. This is not financial advice, of course. I do not know your situation. I play the ups and the downs with intensity. People worry about volatility. Hey, volatility is where I make money. And it's interesting that Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway says the same thing, that, when there's volatility is when you make money. And I'm learning to play it both ways. And I've gotten this way after years of watching it go up and watching it come down. And the coming down is no fun. Well, the coming down is now acceptable to me because I have a way of playing it, and that's shorting it. So I continue to play the Qs, the triple Qs, and the shorting the Qs, the SQQQ. And I probably will have some trouble giving up that habit, and I may join Gamblers Anonymous anytime now, but it seems to be working out good for me. It may or may not work good for you. You have to find what's right for you. What is your investing style? I've found, I like ETFs because it gives you the diversifications. But the problem with an ETF, it doesn't have the pop of an individual stock. Well, if you triple leverage it, it has the pop. So that's how I solve that problem. Thank you for listening. Be sure to like and subscribe. Good luck investing. Bye-bye.